Hi guys. We are here to explore Jog Falls. We have seen the Jog Falls from the viewpoint, but there is another unexplored viewpoint. We are going to that way. We do not recommend you guys to come here because this is a little dangerous. But as you can see, many people are here. You can also come here, no issues. But be a little careful when you come. It's a little slippery, and there are no barricades, nothing to cover you from the cliff. Yeah, that's the world famous Jog Falls. Second highway waterfall from India, waterfall in India. When it's monsoon, we'll see much more water in this, but this is also good, as you can see.